To subscribe to my channel Kalpana's Kitchen, press the button subscribe here. You will then find a bell icon here. Press on the bell so that you will be intimated when I upload new videos. The ingredients required to prepare the bun. I have taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg. Yeast I have taken 1 tablespoon. Milk powder I have taken 3 tablespoons. Oil I have taken 4 tablespoons. Sesame seeds are for later use. We will now take the maida or the flour in a glass bowl. To that we will add the milk powder, the dry yeast, sugar, salt. Mix all these ingredients. We don't need a blender for this recipe. Fine. Now we'll add the oil. Okay, we have rubbed in the oil in the dry ingredients. We will now add the egg. Now that we have mixed all the ingredients, we have to get the dough together with lukewarm water. The water should not be hot. Now that our dough is ready, I just sprinkle a little oil and let the dough rest for 1 hour. I have used approximately 1 cup to knead the dough. Fine. For the filling, I am boiling the chicken here. I will then shred it. I am preparing the filling now. I have taken 3 tablespoons oil. It's nice and hot. So I will add the onions. I will just fry till the onion loses its rawness. You don't have to brown them. I will now add 2 tablespoons of flour here. Let the maida cook. Let's add the chicken now. I will add one chopped green chili to get it a little spicy. I will add little milk here. I will now add chopped coriander leaves, a little, say, half teaspoon garam masala, and salt to taste. Should add some more milk to get it nice and creamy. There, our filling is ready. I'll put off the flame now. Now let's have a look at the dough. Oh, lovely. See if the dough has doubled in size. So we'll again get all the air out of it and knead it again. Beautiful. Okay. Now, like we do for our chapati, I will just get one small size dough. So I'll just roll the dough on my flour. And then roll it to a small puri size. It should not be very thin. With a cutter, I will make 5 cuts here. I'll keep the chicken filling in the middle here. I hope you can see. Fine. And now we start placing this. Fine. Now start. Here, fine, there. See. I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Brush the buns with egg white. This is to get a nice golden color. You can also brush them with milk. After you brush the buns with egg white, just sprinkle some sesame seeds. Fine. Now we'll put it in the oven. I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and I will place my chicken buns in this. And we'll bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Wow, my chicken rose buns are ready. See, yummy.